Welcome back, everybody, to Bear's Rod Shop, July the 31st. Out here about 11 o'clock a.m. or so, and already getting hot. Still on the Jubilee from yesterday's video. I come in last night, and after hours when it cooled down, media blasted this down, and the retainer ring that is spot welded to the backer plate is in really poor shape. And as you can see, we got some rusting going on, but nothing pitting through. So I talked to the buyer of the Jubilee, and I said, you know what, there's no sense in fixing things half-butt. Let's get it right. And so he went down, he gave me some weldable 22 gauge. Here I've already laid out this being outside is 12 and 1/8 inch and a 3/4 ring. Using the old Starrett caliper makes a great scribe. So we've already scribed the outside inside line. I'm getting ready to cut these out this afternoon. Get this ring, the spot welds loose, take it off, and then I'll have to build that, well, let's turn this around. I'll have to build this 90-degree lip. I'll put that on my bead roller and then my shrinker, and then we'll TIG that all in. So she will be in nice shape. For being, this old 67-year-old tractor and a lot of abuse, pretty good shape. Let's get over here real quick. He brought me in yesterday the brand new hubs. Really pleased with these. Of course, the other ones were junk. They wore slap dab out, and so was the axle. And sitting here on the old 29 Roadster Nash, I've got it laid carefully here. We're getting ready to install this hopefully tomorrow or Monday morning. Don't do much on Sunday, be with family. But again, please thumbs up, subscribe. We'll try to keep the videos rolling. I won't bore you with cutting this metal out and stuff, but I will show it when the backer dust cover is all finished and then primed and painted. And you guys that have these older tractors, you know what we're going through to just get this one a serviceable tractor. So again, please, you Jubilee lovers, CJ5, CJ7, Jeep lovers, and like what we're doing, old Dodge Gen 2, Gen 3 trucks, some of the things a mom and pop shop does, C3, Corvette, etc. Please come back, subscribe, share, comments. We will sure try to do our best to fulfill the videos. So that being said, again, this is not a major project. Should I actually probably video it and start it, but I've got a Makita really nice sheet metal shear. Wished I had the circular cutter. Got a bandsaw, but we should have this all back up and showing the next video possibly late this afternoon. Come back and visit. Thank you.